Shit, man. It's the morning of Big Z's birthday.
Yeah, did you want that a little shorter?
What?
The shirt?
Low key, but it's fine.
Oh no, man.
What you?
Cause I'd be cutting my shirts and then I'll like put it in the wash and then they get shorter and I'll be getting tight.
That it got that short?
Yeah.
Shit, I'll just leave it like this, honestly. Let's go back, go to the gym. Have a good day, man.
Hong. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up.
Play your fucking game, nigga. Oh, shit, you put the phone down. Don't let me. My boy about to hit 105. And I'm not as strong as him, but hopefully one day I can get like that.
Oh, I'm about to hit this shit for like 20.
20 is crazy. But since that's my nigga, I must say yeah.
A little extra motivation today, you know.
Oh.
National Big Z Day. They had to pop out.
Nah, they called us Big Z at the atrium. He put Big Z on the.
Big Z on the thing?
At the atrium. At the atrium.
Oh yeah.
Big Z. Big Z.
All right, here we go. Oh wait, actually.
You need a spot.
Nah, I just need a good song.
My fault. I'm not as strong as this nigga, you know. I don't got the.
About to go with my boy ASAP Rocky.
You think ASAP Rocky will be relevant still?
What?
When we're older?
Yes. Cause he got some bangers.
Doing music or like?
Nah, not doing music. Just
fashion?
like just being him.
ASAP? Mm-hmm.
The aura, you know. This is what we listen to right now. About to hit this shit for 20.
I'm gonna spot this nigga just in case, you know what I'm saying?
Go out here, it sounds like a Bron might see his dreams of playing with his son Bron coming out. I'm hearing that the Lakers are very open to the idea of signing his son Bron and Bronny James to the Lakers. And listen, I don't watch a lot of basketball. I used to play game every day, but I'm more of a football fan. But if Bronny gets signed to the Lakers, I will start watching football. This is something that I just want to see. I'm a fan of football. You all don't watch the game all out. I'm a big fan. So hopefully this becomes a reality. I know LeBron wants it too, so I think we're close to it, man. I think
Could have did 105 I barely touched that shit when I hooked it.
Could have, man. Yeah!
Oh, we can really say that shit. 6 games straight. I played 6 games straight. That a gray hair? I played 6 games straight.
Call you punk, man.
Right.
The Franklin Sands fit, bro.
Man, he really be shaking them. This fucking whole back be going through there, bro.
It is 5:37.
I really wish I didn't.
And we finally getting food. I know them niggas gonna yell at us. Huh?
Just want to say it wasn't my fault.
It definitely wasn't mine, man.
We know whose fault it was. All that time put on that basic ass fit.
Cool, we about to go to Olive Garden, get some eats.
Sweet I guess I'm the drop.
Yes.
This nigga over here talking about he chilling. I thought I told you, get a fucking sweater.
I'm a grown ass man, bro.
I know.
No, he cold.
I was trying to pull out.
Pretty sure.
His stomach?
Shit, you know me, man.
Oh, we know.
They all swear you're funny, like.
Thank you.
We all split chicken parm.
Yo, you got some cheese on your face, bro. How you know exactly where that shit was?
I felt that shit, I ain't gonna lie.
I don't think they deserve the like.
Big Z, man. You just gotta understand, man.
I would take my medicine.
You haven't taken your medicine today,
Fuck
buddy.
you, nigga.
His arthritis medicine?
Yeah? Nah, his like autism medicine.
Oh, wait.
Not autism, Alzheimer's.
I was gonna say autism. No, it's like, that's not a joke, Abe.
That was by accident,
Bro got canceled on camera.
Nah,
His
Alzheimer's.
His own camera.
Alzheimer's.
Better delete that file, man.
Later that night.
Are you vlogging?
Yes.
The game?
Yes.
Y'all about to lose.
I'm gonna run that shit back. He got a flagrant. Oh, on who?
On Embiid. He smacked Jalen Brunson across the face.
Damn. Come here, Unc. What you doing, bro?
Why you over there?
What's up with you, yo? Nah, stay home, bro. Stay home. You on my shit.
Happy birthday!
Come on, cheers, Unc.
It's like to me the video, come and talk to me. Leave this photo. Wait,
Alright, we leaving the camera, right?
No, the way he crashed. Dog, guess you watch you crash it out, bro.
We're losing
Yo,
phones.
it's not that bad.
What?
This is even we're losing phones and shit.
Guess he crashing out and shit, bro. Like, damn. Just crash it out, bro.
Might as well take another shot at it.
Now.
You coming
Wait,
too, man?
it tastes like a fish eye.
Nah, cause like, where my phone at, man?
You ever had a fish eye?
Nah.
A fish eye? That's basically the same shit. Nah.
Hey, somebody want to put my phone, please?
I got you on.
Old ass nigga can't find his phone. Alright. Oh, I found my phone. Don't worry about it. Don't call my phone, bro. You getting mad? It sound like you mad. I'm not mad. Fuck. Now you making me mad.
Because
Fuck. You keep telling me I'm mad, nigga? I'm not mad. I don't know. You keep saying I'm mad. I'm not mad.
You act like you mad.
Shit, I really hope not.
I'm mad, bro.
The worst.
What's wrong with you? I need my...
Pass the phone to Big Z. This is day to day, man. You know, Big Z, Zaire James, the one and only.
I'm passing the phone to Franklin Saint.
Franklin saying the phone. Oh, you waiting.
Yo, let's see that.
Move on.